Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can enable the mobile hotspot in your device Samsung M53 and M53 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now, if you want to enable the mobile hotspot, if you want to use the mobile hotspot, you can do this by the method as I will show you in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can enable or use a mobile hotspot in your device. Let's watch it.